Well, folks, you may have been born in the United States, but thanks to the latest Supreme Court ruling, in the future, that might no longer make you a citizen. Let me explain how that's possible. In 2019, President Trump drafted an executive order that would deny babies born to undocumented immigrants automatic U.S. citizenship at birth, also known as birthright citizenship. Civil rights groups immediately sued, and lower courts blocked the order nationwide before it could take effect. Because it's unconstitutional. That's how the legal system worked for decades. When a federal court found a policy unconstitutional, it protected everyone. But today, the U.S. Supreme Court changed the rules. The court didn't rule on whether Trump's order is constitutional. Instead, it ruled that lower courts no longer have the power to issue nationwide injunctions. They can only protect the people directly involved in the lawsuit. So if Trump or any future president revives the order, a single lawsuit can't stop it for everyone. Only those who sue and win are shielded. So this means a baby born in California could be a citizen because a court blocked the policy there, but a baby born in Texas with no protection is granted no citizenship. So that child can't get a passport, can't get a social security number, can't qualify for public health care, can't apply for college aid, and can't legally work. And since they were born here and aren't citizens of their parents' country, they can't be deported either. They become stateless. Legally invisible. No country claims them. No government protects them. If this spreads, the U.S. could create an entire generation of American-born children with no citizenship, no rights, and no future. We've never done that before. The 14th Amendment was supposed to prevent it, guaranteeing citizenship to all people born on U.S. soil. But now, one executive order could strip it away, and courts can't stop it fast enough to protect everyone. This ruling hands enormous power to the presidency. A president can now issue sweeping executive orders that violate constitutional rights and still enforce them, at least until each individual affected can win a court case, which takes time, money, and legal help most people don't have. It's a massive shift in power away from the courts and toward the executive. The three liberal justices, Sotomayor, Kagan, and Jackson, strongly dissented. They warned that limiting court power this way undermines equal justice and opens the door to selective enforcement of unconstitutional policies. Sotomayor said no right is safe in the new legal regime the court creates. Today, the threat is to birthright citizenship. Tomorrow, a different administration may try to seize firearms or prevent people of certain faiths from gathering to worship. Folks, according to Pew Research Center and Migration Policy Institute estimates, about 4.4 million children born in the U.S. to undocumented parents currently have birthright citizenship, and around 300,000 babies are born each year in the U.S. to undocumented parents. Imagine if all those people can't get Medicaid, CHIP, or ACA coverage, can't apply for college loans or in-state tuition, can't get a legal job, a driver's license, a passport, or a social security number. Stateless people without recognized immigration status are at high risk of ICE detention, and because stateless people have no country willing to accept them, ICE detention can become effectively indefinite, lasting months or years. Today's ruling isn't just about citizenship, it's about who we are as a nation. Because if your right to citizenship depends on the court you end up in, then justice has already failed us all. Well, SCOTUS, have the day you deserve.